Hello children, welcome to maths class. Let us continue exercise 10.2, question number 11 in this video. The question is here, prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So here we need to know about parallelogram, and parallelogram is circumscribing a circle. It means that the four sides of parallelogram are touching the circle. So let us draw that diagram first. A parallelogram circumscribing a circle. So one side of parallelogram, another side of parallelogram. These all four sides of parallelogram are touching the circle. This is the meaning of a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Hope you have understood. There are two words, circumscribing and inscribing. Circumscribe, inscribe. If inscribe, then the parallelogram or that quadrilateral will be inside the circle, but here it is circumscribing. That means parallelogram is outside, circle is inside. Let us give the name. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and the point of contact where the sides are touching P, Q, R and S. Now let us remind ourselves, parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal, we know, and here we have to prove if the circle is touching the four sides of a parallelogram, then that will not be a parallelogram, it will be a rhombus. So how shall we prove it? Simple question it is, but thing is that in geometry you are seeing everything every time in every solution, that solution comes in easy way only when we remind ourselves we are well known with all the properties. So let us start with property of parallelogram, that opposite sides are parallel and equal, and then we notice here each vertex of parallelogram will be external point, and the side is touching the circle at a point. That means tangent property also we can use, we will use tangent from drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So these two property, and also we know that rhombus all sides are equal, the third property. These three we are going to use in this solution. Let us start it. So first of all, let ABCD a parallelogram, be a parallelogram circumscribing a circle, with center you can so here also no problem, with center O. We have shown in diagram that these sides are touching the circle at P, Q, R and S. What we have to prove? To prove ABCD is a rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus when all four sides are equal. So we have to prove, or we can write AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. We have to prove this. In words, when we write ABCD is a rhombus, and using the property of side we write, we have to prove all four sides are equal. Now let us start the proof. First of all, we have a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So in parallelogram what happens? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So let us go with equal. Parallel in rhombus also it happens, opposite sides are parallel and equal. In rhombus all four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. And in parallelogram, in parallelogram all opposite sides are equal and parallel, and in rhombus opposite sides are parallel and equal, and also all four sides are equal. Okay. So this is a parallelogram. So opposite side AB is equal to CD, and DA or AD is equal to BC. DA is equal to BC, CB, whatever we write. Then we will go in property of tangent. property of tangent from an external point. We know that tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. Tangents from an external point to a circle are equal in length, or we just write equal, meaning is same only. So, from A, AP is equal to AS, we will write AP is equal to AS. From B, BP is equal to BQ. So, BP is equal to BQ. From C, CR is equal to CQ. And from D, DR is equal to DS. This is very simple to know. We look at the figure and we write down DS. So, let us mark these 4 what we have got: equation 1, 2, 3, 4. And after this, what shall we do? We will add these all 4 equations. Adding equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how do we add equations? LHS of all the equations, again RHS of all the equations. That is the way to add the equations. So, AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now, we will refer figure also. AP plus BP, AP plus BP is equal to AB. CR plus DR is equal to CD. AS plus BQ, here it is. What is this? AS CR plus DR, all right. Then AS and DS we will take. We are seeing this figure AS and DS, and we have already here AS and DS. So, we can write also here once more together. Next step we will change BQ plus CQ. Now, when we look at this AB plus CD, AB and CD are equal. Why? Because parallelogram sides are, opposite sides are equal. So, we can change CD is also into AB. AS plus DS is equal to AD or DA. BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. And then AB plus AB we are getting here 2AB is equal to AD plus BC. So, when we see these two sides, they are the sides of parallelogram. So, any one we will change. AD, BC is also equal to AD. We get here 2AB is equal to 2AD. 2 we can cancel. Finally, we get here AB is equal to AD. And at this step, we need to have a short discussion about this. AB is equal to AD. Here we are getting this side AB is equal to AD. Alright, that means these two adjacent sides are equal. And the figure is what? Figure is parallelogram. These two are already equal. That means these three sides we are getting equal, and then again these two sides are equal. So, after reaching this step, AB is equal to AD, and when AB and DC are already equal, AD and BC are equal, we can say that these all four sides are equal. So, we will write that AB is equal to AD and AB is equal to DC also, DC or CD. Also, AD is equal to BC. So, from these three we can say that all four sides AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA or AD. That means it happens only in rhombus, all four sides are equal. So, here we can conclude hence ABCD is a rhombus. So very easily we do this proof. Thing is that we need to keep in our mind the properties of parallelogram, properties of tangent and properties of rhombus. I hope you have understood it nicely. Once again, you just draw the figure. We need to know what is the word circumscribing. Accordingly, we draw the figure, and then parallelogram opposite sides are equal from external point, tangents are equal, adding all 4 equations, we change again equal sides of parallelogram are equal, and then we reach these adjacent sides are equal, that means all 4 sides are equal. The figure means the parallelogram is a rhombus. Hope you have understood well. Please like and subscribe the channel. You will be getting one after another all the solutions from your syllabus. See you in next video.